Today we're going to see how this T-square is not made properly. That's right. What is supposed to be a 48-inch drywall T-square is actually a trapezoid maker. You would have think they would have checked this at the factory. Here we are. We're nice and flush on the factory line. And we drew a supposedly perpendicular line using our T-square. It's centered. It's not up on one side or down on the other. Let's use our tape measure and measure our line. So here we are at 54.5 inches. This is the measurement that we want. Down here at the bottom, what are we at? 54.25. So if I mark 54.5 and then I draw a straight line from the top, I get the line on the left, not the line on the right. Now I've made 3 cuts with this T-square and I've noticed that I've been just a little bit off, and I was wondering how that happened. And this is how. The T-square is not square. Let's check it against the milled edge of our sheet of plywood. Now, let's see here. Let's start at 1/4. Where do we wind up? Oh, look at that. Right there at the edge. And that's flush. Quarter-inch off. Empire brand. Now you might say, this piece of plywood's made wrong. So let's check it on something else. Well, we happen to have some insulation here, 4x8. So let's put on the milled edge of the insulation. Nice and flush. Oopsie doopsies. Look at that. Check your T-squares before you use them. Bye for now.